Hey, so this time we will explore the file creation process for creating a new Shopify section. So to do that, first we will need to go to Shopify admin panel, and for that we need to type on the Shopify store name / admin. Uh, this will open up the admin panel of the store, and once that loads, the first tab that will be open is the home. The left side panel is the control panel, and by default home will be selected. What we will need to do is click on sales channel and then click on online store. That will open up the online store here. So we we will need to click on the sales channels only on the first time after opening online store. If you hover over the online store, you will be able to see a pin icon next to the I view online store button. If you click on the pin, that will lock the online store on the admin panel. So next time you will need to go to admin and you will have online store available here. So just click on the online store. That will open the themes tab, and from here what you will need to do is click on this three dot next to the customize button of the theme, and that will open up a pop-up window or drop down, and you'll need to press and hold control button and click on edit code. That will open a new window for the code editor section of the current theme. That will open up this window. So it is a code editor in itself, and once this opens, you will need to go to the left sidebar that lists all the files, and from here there is a drop down icon next to templates. If you click on this icon, that will close the file names, and after templates you will find sections. Click on the arrow next to the sections to open this folder basically, and click on the add a new section button. That will open up a pop-up window for creating a new section. In the input field, give the section a unique name. For this time I'm going to name it custom section, but when working properly you will need to give it a proper name for the section. So once the name is given, click on done, and that will create a new file, and we will only be working on this file, and this file only. So yeah, that's the file creation process.